Hi students, today I want to show you how do I switch tabs when you are in Big Blue Button. So here we are in the Big Blue Button classroom and I can tell that this is my Big Blue Button tab. There's a red button there. It shows that I'm connected to Big Blue Button classroom. Now the teacher wants me to go to the classroom, so I'm going to click on this plus sign. This one will open a new tab. Let's see what happens. Now it opens and I'm in the Google tab. And right down here I can type in classroom, or I can just go here to the classroom, or I can go up here to the classroom. Might need to slide it down a little. See, there's the classroom. For today, I'm just going to type in classroom here. And I'll go to my classroom. And here I am. So now I am in the classroom. And here's the classroom tab. I can go over to classwork to find my homework I need to do. If it's a new thing, it will be released right here. And now I can go classroom. When I'm finished it, I can go back to Big Blue Button. And I want to leave this open. So classroom, Big Blue Button. And that is how you switch tabs.